Welcome back. It's nice to be face to face again. It's really nice to see everybody back in the same room. It was quite a long time ago since we actually had a proper face-to-face chat event opportunity to talk about research. So since 2019, despite the fact that we've been held at arm's length from one another for a very long period of time, we've actually come a very long way and achieved quite a lot. Just to illustrate the fact that even though this is the worst possible time, has been the worst possible timing for a project that's supposed to be generating critical mass in the research and industrial communities around the future of the steel industry, we've actually been able to achieve a hell of a lot. We've been doing a lot of engagement and we've really embraced the digital world to try and deliver as much as we possibly can. So we're always looking forward and always looking at the next challenge and always looking at the next thing that we have to do, but it's important for us to be able to take a step back and recognise what we've achieved, and we've achieved quite a lot. We're going into this next phase of sustain. So thank you very much for all of you who took the time to come down to South Wales on what was a sunny day.